Alright gang, what it do? This is Zach, back at you with another video. Got a nice little jetta SUV. Looks nice, looks good. I like the way it looks. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. And don't forget to ring that notification bell to get every video I got. If you're not new to the channel, you already know what to do. I need you guys, I need my 67 gang though, do a little more sharing. Please. And if you're just browsing and checking stuff out, go ahead and share some of these videos. You know, thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and let me know how you feel about these videos. Anyways, make those comments. Guys, let's go ahead and get this Jetta. Let's get to it, alright guys? How about it? Boom! Nice Jetta. It's an SUV Jetta at that, guys. Look at that inside, guys. Look at that. With that cream color. Y'all see that cream? Y'all see that? Y'all see that cream in there? Nice, ain't it, guys? And he got the big, huge panorama roof, guys. Y'all see that panorama roof in there? Y'all see that panorama roof? God, that's a big ass roof, guys. Jesus, it goes all the way back. Look at that. That's a long roof, guys. God, I didn't know it was that long in there. You can see it on the inside. You look up. See that panorama roof up there? That's nice, ain't it, guys? Woo! So nice. I didn't know Jetta had it like this. I did not even know Jetta made these. I didn't know this one had all that in it. Alright, guys. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see that? Awesome. That is a nice Jetta, guys. Real nice. Unfancy, but it looks nice. I love it. I'd ride this and get away with it. I can get away with riding this, guys. You think? That panorama roof up there. Y'all see that roof? Y'all see that roof? That's nice. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Myself. That is nice, guys. Alright, and with that being said, this video is over. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, ring that notification bell. Get all these videos, they're gonna be lit. And with that being said, this video is over. Yeah.